The developed length ratio is an interesting way of describing roughness. Here's a surface that has perhaps some texture to it. It moves up and down relative to the mean line. Now, this particular surface has an evaluation length. The evaluation length is the amount of length that we're including in our calculations, LE, evaluation length. But if I were to walk along the surface, I would travel a different length. The length that I walk is going to be longer than the length that we measured, so to speak. Now, the length that we walk, we've talked about already. The length of the path that we walk is called the developed length. Or in the case of roughness, it might be the roughness developed length. The roughness developed length is going to be greater than the evaluation length. My walking journey along the shoreline of a map is going to be longer if the shoreline is in and out with bays and inlets and things. The walking journey along my surface finish is longer than the length of the trace shown in green. We can report the ratio of these. If we report the ratio of the walking path, the developed length, subtracting the evaluation length, this is the growth. This amount is the extra journey we have to take due to roughness. This is the extra amount due to roughness. If we divide that by the original amount, the evaluation length, we have a ratio that gives us a sense of roughness or path increase. That path increased, or that ratio of increase to original, is our roughness developed length ratio. So the developed length ratio is the amount of growth compared to the amount of length that the instrument traveled along.